In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Soda PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do up top over here inside your Soda PDF, top right, it says activate now. You want to click on that at any time, and this is going to open up this website over here. So, of course, it's going to open up their website, and in here, you'll be able to select the plan which you want to do. So, of course, there's a bunch of different plans you could use, the standard, the pro, the business. Now, if you're watching this at a later date, there may be different plans, but of course, first you have to just select if you want to get billed monthly or yearly, and then you can go and select which plan you want. So for example, I'm going to select this one over here, and to actually basically activate your Soda PDF, you'll have to go ahead and type in your info over here, process the payment, and then after that there follows the activation. You'll be able to create your account, get it activated, and of course you'll be able to then start using any of the premium plans of Soda PDF. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.